I'm Mrs. Shalupka. Yesterday, Ms. Mitchell talked about using text structures to set up your notes. Today, I want to teach you that researchers don't just spend time generating facts. They also take time to reflect upon and grow ideas about the information they are learning. To do that, they stop and think, why is this important? What does this make me think? As I was reading and researching China, I learned this fact. Many rural Chinese villagers have packed up and left for the cities for better paying jobs. That doesn't seem like it has anything to do with the lens I'm studying, but I need to remember that I'm not just collecting facts. I'm learning and growing ideas. As a researcher, I need to push myself to think about how this new detail might help me understand more and more about my topic. I need to push myself to make connections for how that might relate to what I've already learned. I'm going to look back at my notes and try to push myself to make connections to help me learn. I can use these prompts to help me think about how my new learning might relate to the lens I'm studying. For example, does that remind you of anything you've already learned? What might it be a result of? What might that lead to? What do you think caused? So, does this remind me of anything I've already learned? Let me look through my notes. Well, I learned about how the cities are overcrowded, and that says the cities have better jobs. What might be a result of the people in the rural areas packing up and leaving for the cities? I wonder if one of the causes of the cities being so overcrowded is because people are leaving rural villages to head to the city for better jobs. Readers, did you notice what I did? I didn't just collect facts and write it down, and that's that. I pushed myself to grow ideas about the fact and make connections to what I already learned. These questions help me think more about my ideas, about my learning. Now I can write about that in my own notes. So, students, remember to use structures to help organize your notes and to ask questions to grow ideas and include these in your notes too. Think about how to include the ideas that you're growing in your notes. And think about the lens that you are approaching all the subtopics as you research.